Way back when, Don noticed after driving his car that the ring had fallen out. Well, this trim ring goes here. Don couldn't get one of those trim rings, so apparently he filled this in and painted it. And I've got to reuse this chrome piece, so I got to get this stuff out. So in my case, I chipped out the epoxy ring that Don had in here. In your case, it would be just a matter to similarly chip out the ring. I am going to use RTV and secure the new ring. There is a locating nub right there at 12 o'clock to get everything oriented. So there's my RTV. You don't need much. And there is the corresponding notch to orient it in the housing. There is a new gasket included in the kit. So we'll remove the old one, which has probably done its job. This has adhesive on one side, so you peel off that backer, pop it in like I've done here, and that'll give you a nice soft seal to keep your lens weather tight. The new L lens has a tab at 12 o'clock. It fits into the recess right there, so you can't do it wrong. What's this? Look at the difference. Way back, when you could still get parts from the dealer, if you had to replace your lens, this is what they gave you. You see, it's different. And there you go.